Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Tracy and I'm back for another video. And yes, today we're going to do unboxing. I ordered from Coach Outlet. If you want to see what's inside this pouch, please keep on watching. So before we start, hello everyone, I'm Tracy. I do bag unboxing videos, sometimes first impression review videos, and once in a while I do upload vlog videos. If you happen to like my channel, please consider subscribing. And for all who already subscribed, welcome back and thank you so much for your love and support. Now let's do the unboxing. I ordered this from Coach Outlet. .com under their Coach Reserve section, and I ordered 2 items, but it's been a while and they only send one of the items. I don't know what's the status right now. It still says in process, but hopefully it will be shipped. I hope it will not be canceled. So yes, I received this bag in this padded pouch. Without further ado, let's open this one. So this bag I purchased when it was 60% off. So this bag is not it's a little pricier compared to a 70% discount. But looking at this bag right now, it looks like brand new from the factory. Oh, look at that. What's going on with this bag? Why is it like that? Why would they not check the bag first before sending? Seriously, Coach. Oh, I might return this. I don't like that. Yeah. It's a little disappointing to see your bag like this. Which they could have prevented, right? They could have fixed this before they shipped this bag. But the good part is brand new from the factory. So let's remove the packaging. So this is the Coach saddle bag. Yep, it is in the color Bordeaux. I have seen this bag pop up every now and then at the website, but I didn't really pull the trigger on buying it. But I don't know what I was thinking when I put this in my cart, but most likely this bag will be returned. We'll see if we can retrain this and if I still like it when it's already trained. All right, so this is what the bag looks like unwrapped. So this is a saddle bag. So this is the front of the bag. It's color Bordeaux with contrast stitching. It has like pink stitching, and it has like a burnished color at the edge. If you can see that, like darker at the edge and lighter at the middle. The stitching is a little different. Like this has big stitching and tiny stitching in this part. So this is what the side looks like. The shoulder strap is like the Rambler, like a buckle style with grommets on the hole. And at the back, it has no slip pocket. And on the other side, it has the D-ring for the Coach hang tag. Oh, for the 1941 hang tag. And it's red at the other side. When you open the bag, it has a flap with a snap closure on this part, but this one has no magnetic closure or whatsoever. It says they are Glovetanned leather, and let's see, it's hard to open because of the shoulder strap. So the inside looks like this. It has a zipper pocket with a 1941 canvas. Yep, zipper pocket there. And a Coach creed. The inside of the bag is leather all leather, which is really nice because oh, this one is annoying. Yeah, the inside of the bag is in color red and it's all leather, and there's a front pocket as well. It's all leather. So the side has the gusset. Now let's see how it looks like when I put the phone in the front slip pocket. So if I put it vertically, it fits. If I put it horizontally, it does fit, but you can see it gives a mark on the side. I don't know how I feel about this bag, but I might return this one. I'm not liking it, especially this part. It would not stay open. I mean, it would not relax. Keeps on folding in. But yeah, let's do a try on. Let's do a try on this bag. So this bag has 4 adjustments. This bag has 4 adjustments, and it's on the second to the last, to the longest setting right now. So let's do a try on this bag. It's a long shoulder bag. It looks like this. And a crossbody bag. So if we are using the bag, still this buckle gets in the way and opening, especially this side. I don't know how I feel about this bag. The leather is so nice, the color is nice. I don't know if I like it. I'm just not a fan. Sorry, I'm just being honest on how I feel with this bag. I'll keep you updated with this bag. Any thoughts? Like, if I were you, what would you do? Please write on the comment below. Yeah, the red color is really nice. I still have time to return it if I decided to. So there you go, guys. Here's our Coach saddle. So if you happen to like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and also don't forget to click that notification bell button so you get updated every time I upload a new video. So until next time, thank you for watching. Bye.